teacher.
Hello, student. What is your name?
My name is Nita.
Okay. How old are you? I am.
I am 5 years old.
Okay, good. Nita, can you say alphabet from A to Z? កូនអាចសូត្រ ABC បានអត់បានតោះឥឡូវកូនសូត្រ A B C រហូតដល់ Z បានទេតោះចេះរាប់ឲ្យណា1 2 3 A B
B C D E F G H I J K L M O
N
N
O
O P Q W X
Q R
R
S T U
V W X Y and Z.
Wow, okay, good ឆ្លាតមែនទែនកូន What is the letter? Letter អីកូន
Letter A.
Okay, what is the letter?
Letter C.
No letter អីកូន
Letter
Letter អី Letter B.
Letter B.
Okay, what is the letter?
Letter C.
Okay, good. What is the letter?
Letter
Letter អីកូន
Letter
Letter D.
D.
Okay, good. What is the letter? Letter
C.
No letter. Letter E.
E.
E, okay. What is the letter?
Letter
Letter F.
F. A.
What is this? Apple. Apple ផ្លែអីកូន
Like bomb.
ផ្លែប៉ោម
Banana like cake.
Okay, good.
Orange like gold.
Okay, good. Mango.
Mango like fire.
Okay. Chocolate.
Chocolate chocolate like juice.
Okay. Just strawberry អរគុណ
Strawberry.
ចាអូខេឆ្នើ